Here at MHS, there are 3 types of art classes: 2D art, 3D art, and photography. Mrs. Simon has chosen 2 pieces of 2D art and 1 piece of photography to go on display at the Centier Bank in Maryville. These are a few pieces of artwork created by our very own MHS students.
It's called The Escape. There's basically like books opened up, flattened, laying out everywhere, and the characters from the books came to life, and they're running everywhere, they're causing chaos, they're fighting. Everyone likes to be acknowledged for something they do well, so it's not really a big deal to some, but you know, it means a lot to me that, you know, someone's like, oh, you know, it's good enough where I'm gonna put it in my facilities, come check it out.
I mean, I guess it feels good to know that I'm, you know, being displayed somewhere, I guess.
One of my artworks got chose and I'm pretty happy about it. You know, it's just art, just, you know, a little simple project I did in class and it got chose.
The artwork at the bank was chosen mainly because they needed artwork, and I came up with 3 artworks, and that's it.
Yes, that wall will one day be entirely devoted to Maryville High School, covering sports highlights and other pieces of artwork. As one of the managers says, he would like to create a better connection with the community. So next time you go to cash your checks at Centier Bank, be sure to check out the MHS bulletin board. Signing off for PNN,